Are you a content creator who wants to live stream but doesn't know where to start? Listen, whether or not you're a veteran creator or a brand new content creator, live streaming can be a terrifying, intimidating, daunting thing to think about. If you've never done it, there's a lot to set up, a lot to think about, a lot to create. Man, where do you even start? Listen, if that's you, I want to help you get there. I want to help you live stream. Stay tuned through this video to find out how. We're going to talk about it right after this. Just hit record. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Ken, the content coach. Once again, in this video, this super short video, I want to talk to you real quick about live streaming and how I want to help you to do live streaming if you haven't done it yet. Listen, live streaming can be intimidating. There's so much to think about. And even when you think you have everything figured out, something is probably going to go wrong on your first live stream you ever do. Let me show you a great example. Now.
All right. I think we're live. We'll have to, so we got Joey Hookham, Packer fan.
So that was my very first live stream that I ever did. I had everything planned, everything worked out. I thought I knew exactly what everything was going to look like, and that still happened. I knew about the lag that happens between software and YouTube, but I was sitting here looking at YouTube, and it's a whole thing when you first start streaming. There's a lot in your mind. This is where I want to come in and help you. So as a first-time streamer, I want to give you an opportunity to come on and stream with me. All you have to do is click a link that you'll have. You will come on, I'll add you to the screen, and we will chat. Now, what does this look like? It looks a little bit something like this. I'll be live, you'll click a link, I'll add you, and then you will be right here. And we'll have a conversation. For 15 to 20 minutes, roughly, we'll sit and have a conversation about your channel, about your goals. I can answer any questions you may have about live streaming, about YouTube, whatever you want to talk about, whatever helps you get comfortable live streaming. So we'll have this conversation. My hope with this stream and with this channel overall is that I can help new creators, in this case, new live streamers, get comfortable, be able to go live. I've already had a few streamers that have come on for the first time, and they are literally today, on the day that you're seeing this video released, they are starting their very own live stream together. I think that's incredible. That's amazing. These guys had wanted to go live for a while. They, it's kind of the same thing, right? Like you, they're nervous, they didn't know where to start. But coming onto this channel, coming on and live streaming with me, gave them a little bit of confidence, and now they're going for it. I absolutely love it. I want to help you do the same thing. So that being said, if you want to join this seat right here, there's only a few things that you really need to do and worry about. So first of all, I do have a couple of rules for the stream. First up, you do need to have at least a phone and earbuds. You don't need a XLR microphone, you don't need gear, you don't need a camera, nothing like that. If you have a phone and you have a set of earbuds, you can come on the show and live stream with me. Even if you don't have earbuds, don't let that hold you back. We will make it work. I just want you to come on and stream and break that ice for yourself for the first time. Also, you do have to have the camera active. I don't want to do any kind of a voice stream where it's just a voice I'm talking to. I literally want you to come on screen, on camera, because I think that's the only way you're going to break that fear. I think it's too easy to come on with just a voice and talk. Nobody can see you. If you're going to break your fear the right way, if you're going to break that ice the right way, you have to come on camera. So that's another rule that I have. The last rule that I have is this is a PG, G-rated, whatever you want to call it. This is a family-friendly channel. My wife watches, my kids watch, and so many other of my audience members, they watch with their families also. So it's definitely a G-rated channel. Now, what I mean by that, when you are on screen, whatever your niche is, whatever your personality, whoever you may be, that doesn't matter to me. The only thing that I ask is while you're on screen on the channel is that we do keep it G, we do keep it family friendly. And that is pretty much it. The live stream starts, like I said, Friday nights at 9 p.m. right here on my YouTube channel. I will start off the show, welcome the audience, we'll hang out and chat for a few minutes, and then after that we will start allowing people on. So if you do want to join, come hang out Friday nights at 9 p.m. When you see the chat, you'll see Nightbot in the chat show the link for the live stream. You simply click that link, come into the green room of my software, and I will eventually get you added to the stream. Now, even if you don't want to get on screen right away, if you don't want to stream your first time here, that is perfectly fine. There's two other things that we do during this live stream. We also do channel reviews. So if you have a YouTube channel and you would like me to review your channel live on screen, I will do that for you. I'll take a look at your channel, at your videos, your thumbnails, your cover photo, all that good stuff, and I'll just kind of give you a few tips based on what I see. I won't play your videos on screen only because possible copyright issues anything that's not family friendly, things like that that I may not know are there, but we will look at the channel. I'll give you some tips that I can give you just by looking at your YouTube channel. Also, if you have YouTube questions, we'll do a Q&A. So I have a form, which will be linked in the description. If you click that form and fill it out, you'll be able to fill out a few fields. I'll need to know what your question is. And if you want a channel review, I need your YouTube URL there also. Again, those links are going to be in the description. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. But that is it for this video. Again, I want you to start live streaming. If you have ever wanted to be a streamer, I want you to do that also. So come onto my platform, live stream with me. Let me help you to get comfortable with live streaming. I'd love to help you out. If I can help you with anything else, do me a favor, throw those comments, questions down in the comments of this video. And if I can help you even more than that, check out my website, kenthecontentcoach.com. On the website, you'll find everything that I have going on. Any way that I can help you, you will find it there. You can also reach out to me by email, ken@kenthecontentcoach.com, and I will answer you. I'll get back to you for sure. Let me know how I can help you. So I appreciate you watching this short video. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Just hit record. Just stream with me. We'll see you Friday. We'll see you with the next video.